Hello student, today my topic is atomic mass of an element. So the atomic mass of an element is weight of one atom of element upon weight of one atom of hydrogen. But as hydrogen is not in whole number, it is in the decimal form. So in place of hydrogen, oxygen was adopted as a standard because oxygen react with large number of element to form compound and atomic mass become approximately in whole number. But because of isotopes of oxygen such as 16, 17 and 18, these are the isotopes as I have told you before, that these are the isotopes. So because of these isotopes, in place of oxygen, carbon C12 are most stable isotope of carbon was adopted by International Union of Chemists. Because oxygen have isotopes, so in place of oxygen, carbon 12 C12 is adopted by International Union of Chemists. So the atomic mass of element, now mass of one atom of element upon 1 by 12 part of the mass of the one atom of carbon. For example, if C12 is known as the atomic mass unit, that is in short form, in abbreviation we have AMU, atomic mass unit, abbreviate like AMU. So suppose of mass of C is 1.9924 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. So 1 AMU is 1.9924 into 10 to the power minus 26 upon 12. So if we just divide both of these digits together, then we get 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram in AMU. So atomic mass of an element is equal to mass of one atom of element upon 1 AMU. 1 AMU is equal to 166 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So we put in place of 1 AMU this digit. So we can find out atomic mass of an element by this formula. Now molecule. Molecule is the smallest particle of the substance, that is element or compound, which can exist independently. For example, Cl2, H2, NH3, H2O, HNO3, H2SO4. These all are the molecules. They are of two types, homoatomic molecule and heteroatomic molecule. Homoatomic molecule are formed by combination of similar atom, and it is also divided into two parts, monoatomic and diatomic. So monoatomic molecule having only one atom, such as He, helium, neon, argon, krypton. These are the monoatomic. Diatomic molecule form two atom, O2, N2, H2, Cl2. Triatomic form three atom, just like ozone. Phosphorus also tetraatomic. Sulfur is octaatomic. Now come to heteroatomic molecule. Molecule formed by two or more different atoms, such as methane, CH4. C is different than H. So CH4 is the heteroatomic molecule. CO2, O is different as compared to carbon. So both the different element form the compound molecule, that is CO2, SO2. Now come to compound. Atom of different element joined together in definite proportion to form compound. Such as, if we talk about CO2, then it is composed of C and O. So the valency of carbon is 4. The atomic just number of carbon is 6, and atomic number of oxygen is 8. If we just divide both of these digits, then 2 3 ja 6 and 2 4 ja 8. So the ratio is 2:3:4. Now if we talk about water, then it is composed of H and O. The ratio of H is 1 and oxygen is 8. So it now can't be divided, so it remain as it is. Now come to ammonia. It is composed of nitrogen and hydrogen. The atomic number of nitrogen is 14, and hydrogen, because it is 3, so 1 into 3 is 3. So if we just it is not divisible by each other, so it also remain as it is. Now come to ionic compound. Here it is sodium chloride. The formula is NaCl. The weight of Na is 23 and the chlorine weight is 35.5. So the ratio is not divisible by each other, so it remain as it is. Calcium oxide, it composed of calcium and oxygen. The weight of calcium is 40 and the weight of oxygen is 16. If we divide both of these, we get ratio 5:2. Now magnesium sulfide is composed of magnesium and sulfur. The weight of magnesium is 24 and the weight of sulfur is 32. If we divide both of these digits, then we get 3:4. So my question is for today, what is atomic mass, molecule and compound? Thank you.